Tyler.
Hi guys. Hey guys, it's me. I'm back with another video, and as you can see, I have a really cool controlled motorized car. What do you want to? So basically, what you do is that's the car, and there's this little thing. If you push it up, it goes backwards. If you push it down, it goes straight. If you want to turn it, you go this. If you want it to go straight and then turn it to the left, you push it down. If you want to go straight and do it to the right, you push up. So I'm going to be doing some tricks with it.
Tyler, you did tell me before you made it go through your legs and you jumped over it. Can you jump? Let me see you try that. Hey Ryan, you got some cool stuff today. Let me see the new sunglasses you got with the special lenses. Can we see them?
He can't play with me because he has to eat and then he has to learn.
He has to eat and learn, study. Did you get a keychain today? Can we check it out? What does it say? Peace? It's got peace symbols on it? Awesome. You know what's coming up on Tuesday, Ryan? It's Halloween. We're getting costumes. All right, let me see. Show us how it works.
But I think Matthew will play with me on the October 28th.
Okay, so we'll have it. Mom and me will call his family and we'll hang out. Oh, here comes the car. Whoa, look at it go. Oh my God, it's Micro Machines. No, it's not. Remember those commercials, Micro Machines, where the guy would talk, you don't like this very fast. I could never talk that fast.
Make sure you like and subscribe down below to become a member of the GL family.
Can we get a high five? We had a rough week, but we're trying to cheer up, right?
And maybe I'll make a video on my next time about what happened, but we'll see. I don't know.
Yeah, we had a dog pass away we're very sad about, but we're trying to keep the faith and keep living. We love everybody.
Bye.